At the same time, FKF Cup defending champions Nairobi United FC are ready for a high-stakes cup quarter-final clash against KCB FC set to be played on Sunday at the Ulinzi Sports Complex. Nai boys clinched last year's title from Gor Mahia and will hope to repeat their heroic this term. At the same venue, Ulinzi Stars will battle Tusker in the last quarter. The winner advances to the semi-finals, keeping their hopes alive for a spot in the CAF Confederation Cup and the 2 million Kenya shilling prize money. In another quarter-final fixture, Bandari FC will battle Police FC, who overcame Shabana by a solitary goal.
Inamaanisha kwamba malengo yetu kama club ya kutaka kuhifadhi ili kombe tena iko katika njia nzuri. Kwa hivyo vijana wanazidi kujinoa. Leo tumekuwa kwa mazoezi tukijinoa, tukijipanga ili tuweze kucheza dhidi ya KCB.